welcome you all to our 24th year of historic Expo celebration.
We believe that our Jamaican culture is very rich. We have a wonderful heritage.
We're enjoying the vibe, the energy, the DJ, the music.
We talk about the heroes, so it is best for them to come and see.
The dancing, because I love to dance.
I really like the performances that they put on the stage. Today was fun, wonderful, and I enjoyed myself.
I deem it a pleasure because for what is happening in school now, we need to capture them and to get them on the right path.
I think today the goal was met. We can see from the excitement on their faces that we package it in such a way that although we are teaching, we give them some excitement.